Thank you for tuning in. Dividend Dashboard here. We got several things to unpack in this episode. We have the stocks I bought, dividends received, dividends year over year for March, and as usual, a portfolio update and full transparency. Before we proceed, make sure to like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and support my journey. Let's dive in. In my previous episode, I mentioned that I wanted to make Visa and MasterCard a core holding of their portfolio, and in this month, that was the focus. I bought 0.83 shares of MasterCard and a small tranche in Visa of 0.08 shares. I also took advantage of Nike's dip and added 0.75 shares. Nike is one of my favorite brands that I use in real life, and it feels great to own an amazing company in my portfolio. I also added Realty Income for dollar cost average and Hershey's as well. This month, 9 companies paid me a dividend. Kroger $5.07, Johnson & Johnson $7.23, Hershey's $17.82, Waste Management $3.12, Visa $1.63, Stag Industrial $1.50, Realty Income $5.50, Home Depot $2.82, and Digital Realty Trust $9.29 for a total amount of $53.98. When we take a look at March dividends over the last 5 years, it's safe to say that compounding happened, starting all the way back in 2020 for just 30 cents received in dividends. Then we can observe the pace picking up, receiving a decent amount for the following years: $6.34, $12.42, $28.81, and this year $53.98. Looking at my portfolio, we reached a new high in value, $20,098.48. I have screenshots stored in my phone where I had a portfolio value of less than $1,000. Now look at us sitting at $20,000. I am very proud of the progress. Continuing, this portfolio has a dividend yield of 3.02%, which translates to a $528.88 in projected annual dividends. This portfolio is still sitting at 23 holdings. The performance of this portfolio has been great lately, but still lagging the overall market. When we take a look at my 23 holdings, I see a group of quality businesses working hand in hand to help me achieve my financial goals. I've mentioned that I've been focusing on Visa and MasterCard. Combined, they make almost 9% of the portfolio. I love their business model and how efficiently these two giants operate. I will be adding more, especially to MasterCard. Hershey's remained the largest holding by a huge percentage, heavily bought into it as it trended down in the past months. Now that the price is recovering, it's taking more allocation within the portfolio. My plan to reduce this percentage will be to continue adding funds to other holdings without buying more Hershey's, which is a little difficult for me since I really love the Hershey's company. Moving to the annual dividend per holding, we can appreciate the constant increasing payout that my companies bring every year. Realty and Hershey's are the notable ones, all the way in the 70s per year, which makes other companies look tiny in comparison. Every company in this portfolio is doing its part by increasing their dividend yearly while I deploy more cash into them. Now we have the total return. Right now, we barely have any company in the red, and I must admit, it feels nice, but wealth is created in bear markets. So I really hope for a healthy pullback so I can buy more companies at a cheaper price. Other than that, Apple was constantly my number one holding in returns for a long period of time, but JP Morgan dethroned them. They have been doing extremely good lately, and that's what I expect from the best bank in the US. Other notable winners, we have Waste Management, Digital Realty, and Home Depot, which all of them have been treating me well with the increasing dividends and amazing performance. So that will be it for this quick portfolio update. Let me know what you think. Support the channel by liking and subscribing, and as usual, I see you in the next one.